What is sustainable aviation fuel? SAF is a jet fuel made either from waste or residue from renewable sources, or by combining carbon dioxide in the atmosphere with renewable hydrogen. Today's aircraft can use up to 50% pure SAF blended with regular jet fuel.
SAF can reduce CO2 emissions by up to 80% throughout its life cycle compared to fossil fuels, and we need to produce more.
Airbus and the aviation industry, alongside SAF producers, consumers, and regulators around the world, are working to boost production and supply. And experts are constantly working to improve SAF, potentially removing the need to blend it with fossil fuels at all. So it's just a matter of time before all aircraft can fly with up to 100% pure sustainable aviation fuel. Find out more about our SAF journey at airbus.com.